In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can create this persistable stat board. When players get some kills, they can update their stats, and if they leave the game, come back, it will still know the player's stats, and it can display their old stats as well. Players can update their stats with this button, and someone else can come in and they can change it to their stats, and it will display their Fortnite character and their stats. On your map, you want to create a new verse file, so you just open the Verse Explorer and then add a new verse file to project. Name it stat boards, then create empty, and open this Visual Studio Code. And in there you want to paste the free scripts from our Discord, so just copy it and paste it in there. Then you want to go back in your project, you want to click on verse and then build verse code. You will get this device. You can track that in your play space. And you'll see you need some trackers, so just grab a tracker. This one will be my elim tracker. Make sure stat to track is set to eliminations. Target value, just put it at the max. And you can leave these settings. Sharing individual, do nothing, show on how to know, off, put this off, and make sure player eliminations count is on. And you can use persistence, so if they leave the map and come back, it will still have their eliminations. Like this. I want to copy this. This will be my daft tracker. And you can set this to eliminate it. And you need another one. KD tracker. You can leave these settings. And you'll need one for rounds blades. And make sure it's set to round completed. And this one will be my round 1. And make sure it's set to this one. And you want to copy your elim tracker one more time. This will be your kill streak tracker. You can go in here, and your kill tracker will be elim tracker, def tracker, kill streak, KD, round played, round 1. Then what you need is a billboard device. The settings, just leave this empty. Text justification center. Size, I would put it at like 9. Color makes it white. And Roboto, you can change these to whatever you want. I'll use a light outline and a low right shadow. And I'll scale billboard up. Then what you'll need to do is you can go in here and you can shapes and grab cube. You can stretch it, make it bigger. So this will be your background for the stats. So I'll just lower this like so. I'll just make it a bit higher. Like so. Now you want to grab your billboards and put it in front. You can put some text on it to make sure that's still visible. Like this. Just put it to the right. And you want to grab a player reference device. You can scale that up as well. Like this. Then in here, you can make sure it's set to show hologram and direct color. You can use a color if you want. The hologram. Then the hologram strength, you can put it to 0. You can change the animation. Then you can move it back to where it still shows. And show base, make sure that's off. Show player date and show player details, you can put that on. Then you can lower this so that only the name shows. Like this. With a medium curve. No audio. Like so. You want to grab a button device. Put it next to it. And time to interact. You can change that. No trigger sounds. Show your stats. And you can put the interacting radius to 0.3, so players can look anywhere in this radius. You can use a custom mesh if you want. I'll just leave it. You want to go into the player reference and make sure you register player, set to your button online interacted, and activate, set to your button online interacted, like this. You can go back in here and display stats button will be this one, and your billboard will be this one. And you can go in a game, you can test it out, so I'll just grab a sentry and a item granter, an assault rifle, and I'll give it to everyone when the game starts. In the sentry, I'll respawn on no timer. Like this, then you can launch the session. When you load it in, you can try it for yourself, get some kills, and if the player wants to update their stats, then all these stats will update at once. And if someone else comes in and they want to change their stats, then it will just display the other player's stats. So I hope this helps some of you guys out, and thanks for watching.